Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my dad's recipe for Vietnamese Watercress Beef Salad, or Ba Sao Salap Xong. Vietnamese food is known for its abundance of fresh vegetables and herbs, and this dish is no exception. Watercress has been labeled one of the latest superfoods because of its rich nutrients and providing a lot of health benefits. One of the most popular ways to use watercress in Vietnamese cooking is in a salad with stir-fried beef and a tangy vinaigrette dressing. This healthy meal can be served as a simple appetizer or one of the many side dishes in a Vietnamese home-cooked meal. To make Vietnamese watercress beef salad, you will need 1 pound of beef tenderloin. For the vinaigrette dressing, you'll need 5 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar and 4 tablespoons of sugar. You'll need 4 cloves of garlic, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder, and for the salad you will need 1 tomato and some fresh watercress. To begin, I'm going to cut the tenderloin in half so it's easier to cut. Then I'm going to cut them against the grain into thin slices. Next, I'm going to transfer the beef into a large bowl to get ready to marinate. First, I'm going to add in the 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder, 1.5 tablespoons of ground black pepper, and a little over a third of the chopped garlic. We will use the remaining amount for frying. Then give it a good mix so every piece can be soaked in the delicious sauce. Let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour to marinate. The longer, the better. While we wait on that, we can start on prepping the salad. I'm going to start by slicing the tomato into thin slices. This is more for presentation and you can cut them however you like. But if you're going to eat it, then forget about the nice presentation. Nah, I'm joking. I think of food as an art form. The way food looks on a plate is what tempts our eyes and makes us want to taste it. Vietnamese food has a lot of emphasis on freshness, color, and portion sizes. So for this dish, I'm going to lay out the tomato slices neatly and add the watercress in the middle so that all the color are popping. The next step is to make the vinaigrette dressing. All it is to it is adding 4 tablespoons of sugar into 5 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. You're going to want to mix it around until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now that we have everything prepped, we're going to cook the beef. Add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil into a large pan over high heat. Once hot, add in the rest of the garlic and mix it around so it doesn't burn. Add in the beef and mix it around for about 3 to 5 minutes. Since we cut them into thin slices, we don't have to cook it for too long or else it will be overcooked. Continue to mix until you get your desired cook level. I like mine medium rare, so I'm leaving it in for less time. Once done, pour the beef over the salad, add the vinaigrette dressing, and optional, add in more black pepper with white onions. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.